yes, now we're gonna create them. So we're gonna take the full name. Okay, we're gonna take this API names. Take it here and paste it here. You can see this one. Now in the same way, we can go here, check the email address, API name, take it, again go to create records, give it, you can take this one. Now add a field. Now we're gonna add phone one, right? We're gonna add this API name now. Let's go and let's create here. And then that's how we have created the fields. Now if Salesforce does not find any contact, it will create this one now. Okay, so now this is done. Okay, now if contact exists, then it need to skip, right? It need to skip create contact, right? So for that, let's just, if the contact exists, there is no need to do anything here. If you want to create it, now here choose record. So let's give it as create. We don't need anything here. So once if contact if contacts existed, then we don't need to create anything. It can directly go to the next step. So in the next step, what we need to do, we need to create the event registration, and also we need to create for ticket, right? Let's do that now. Let's do that now.